Hi everybody, Tim Pitcher, Marine Business Manager with Flow-Rite Controls. We're here at our facility in Byron Center, Michigan, and I'm going to show you just how easy our Quick Lock product is to use. As you can see, we offer 3 sizes made for any boat: 3/4 inch, 1 1/8 inch, and our newest 1.5 inch. Our 1.5 inch has an innovative 4-finger design for maximum engagement, and you can see how easy it is to connect and disconnect. Our quick locks are a plug and play and eliminate the need for hose clamps. That means no more crimping or tightening in hard to reach areas. We stand behind our products and work very hard every day to get these out the door and onto your boat. If you have any questions about our quick lock products, contact myself or contact our amazing customer service team, and we would love to hear from you and we'd be happy to help. Also, visit us at flowrite.com and follow us on social media for more information. Thank you and have a great day.